Flying cars are on the horizon as Aircar is cleared for takeoff. The Aircar by Klein Vision is a hybrid vehicle that can turn from a car into an aeroplane. It has been approved as flight safe by the Slovak vehicle authorities, and its testing correlates with European standards. It can achieve an altitude of over 8,000 feet and an in-flight cruising speed of over 112 miles per hour. And it can convert from one mode into another in just 3 minutes. It uses a BMW engine and it runs on ordinary petrol. Looking at it, it makes me think of a James Bond movie, of the old amphibious car and that sort of futuristic look that it had. And it makes me wonder what Tesla could do with this kind of technology if it was to jump into the field. But what is so significant about this particular vehicle is that not only is it sturdy, it is suitable for mass production, and that is what its creators are looking to do further down the line. So with many other personal flying vehicles in development, this really could be the age of the flying car. Now, what this actually means in practical terms is that flying cars could be here for everybody to use in 10 years at most, maybe even 5 years. So governments around the world, just like they have a road infrastructure with roads and traffic lights, a system for traffic to use it, they need to start thinking ahead and making a flight infrastructure so that there can be a system for flying cars to use, for there to be air flight controls for consumers, so that we can all get around safely and easily.